Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Okay guys, you know how I feel about that mini micro notes thing, right? And when I purchased it from Tuesday morning, my words were, I think it's the most useless thing Happy Planner ever made. And my thoughts really haven't changed on it. But I said, well, since I got it, let me try and figure out how to use it. I have been searching YouTube, and I've come across people that have been getting this thing. What is it? Sophie Traveler's Journal. I guess it's a cover. And they have been putting their micro planners in those things. So I said, you know what, I'm not going to buy that. I'm sure I could make it. And so that's what I have done. I created this DIY traveler's journal for your micro happy planner, or micro notes, mini, I don't know what it's called, this little bitty thing right here. And these little discs right here, these are not the discs that came on it originally. Where's the original one? These are the little small discs that came on it originally. And you can see the size difference. I got those gold ones from this Happy Planner, as a matter of fact. And I put them on here just because I thought it was cute. Besides, it actually matches. And I see people take this thing and put it in a little pocket. Put it in a little pocket, close it up, and yeah, that's it. So I said, well, let me at least try and make one of these, and maybe I'll feel a little bit different about this little thing. So I went on and started cutting and all the rest of it. So what you're going to need is a piece of designer paper, be it single-sided or double-sided. This happens to be double-sided, because I used single-sided on this one. Even though you see double-sided, I used single-sided in here, but I folded it in half, and then when I put the paper on to make the pocket, it kind of gave my laminator a little bit of trouble. So that's why I'm just going to use double-sided paper. But your double-sided paper needs to be cut at 9.5, at 9, excuse me, can you see, is it there? Let me see, let me put this down first. 9.5 inches by 5 inches. And what you're going to do is you're going to score this on the 9.5 inch side. You're going to score at 4 1/4, at 4 3/4, and at 5 1/4. So score at 4 1/4, 4 3/4, and 5 1/4. And it should look, well, I can't even say it should look, because you're not going to be able to, you may not be able to see the lines anyway. And then for the pockets, you're going to need 2 sheets cut out at 2 1/2, or 2 pieces cut out at, is this light working? I'm sorry, this lighting just seems kind of dark, and I apologize. You're going to need 2 of these pieces cut out 2 1/2 by 5 1/2, and then you're going to score at 1/4 inch on both sides. So you score it at 1/4 inch on that side. You're going to do it on the long side, and then you're going to score it again at turn it, score it again at 1/4 inch, or just leave it and score at 1/4 inch on one side, and then 1/4 inch on the other side. However you want to do it is fine with me. Alright, so what we're going to do next is, well, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to fold the middle one. I'm just going to fold the 5 1/4 on the 5 1/4 fold line or score line, and 5 1/4 and the 4 1/4. And the 4 1/4. There we go. Just going to fold on those 2 score lines. Let me see, which way do I like? I like this one to be my front. Because you just pick whichever one you like the best. And now I'm going to score on these 1/4 inch score lines here. And I'm going to use some adhesive. Let me see if I can find. All right, this is just art glitter glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit on. Like I said, it's just enough to hold it in place until we get this through the laminator. That's all it's for. I'm just going to put it on here. Not a lot, like I said. It's not even straight or anything like that. It's just on there. And I'm talking about the glue now, not the paper. Oh, and you know what? And while I'm thinking about it, put just a bead of glue at the bottom. We just want enough to hold it closed because you know we're gonna laminate it, so it doesn't need that much. So I'm just putting a little, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but it's just a little bitty line. I'll do it on the other one. Just a little bit of line of glue. So let me turn this one. Let me show you on this one. This one will be better. Okay, got these folded. When I say a little bit of line, I mean a little bit. So just like this. If I can get to come out, there we go. Just a little bit on that. And just put a little here. And a little bit here. I said it's just enough to hold it in place. Let's see that. Excuse me. Okay, guys, sorry about the interruption, but okay, here is the journal, I guess. Let's see. See, I hate when that happens because I lose train of thought and everything. But I'm going to round the corners. I just think when the corners are rounded on certain things, it just looks better, looks neater. And I didn't put that on good, but that's okay. And I got my my laminator heating up already, so there we go. All right. So, and I really don't want to try this until I get it laminated. So. Let me see, what else do I need here? Where are my stretchy cords, my jump bands? Because that's what I'm going to use to close this, a jump band. There we go. And here it is. Let's see how. So it's that just get at least 12 inches. You probably won't need that much, but at least 12 inches is good. So what I'm going to do now is get this into the laminator. Now this laminating sheet is old actually, and it's not the best because like I say, it's old. But I'm going to use this to laminate this so we can see how this is going to come out. But you know what? Let me do this first. And I almost forgot about her. Let me make sure I got it right. Okay, I cut this out of another sheet. And so what I want to do is put her on like this. Just to put her on like that. So let me, where are you? Get a little bit of this. And I said it's not a lot to really stick her down, just to hold her in place till the lamination takes effect. Okay, I think that's good right there. And I'm going to cut her out. Where my scissors go? Plus I don't see my good ones. And I'm just gonna cut her bottom off right here. There we go. Let me see. Do I need to do any more trimming to this? Just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So now it looks like this. Now let's get this through the laminator. Okay. Alright, so let me laminate this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and it's been laminated and I have trimmed it. I'm just going to cut off these little corners here, or around the corners. I've got to find my scissors. I just had them. There they go. Those are horrible. Okay, there we go. All right. And so what I'm going to do now is I got this cut set to 2.5 inches. I'm going to use the smallest circle, and I am going to try to get it in the center. There we go. Like so. I'm going to tie this together. I wished I had a lighter up here. I know I do somewhere. I think it's over here. Yeah, it's over there. Because I'm going to singe the ends of this. So I'm just going to tie this together like this. Like I do my traveler's notebooks. Let me push this through. Here, I'm just right now. I'm gonna cut the pockets loose in a minute. I just want to make sure this goes through here. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's fine. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut the pocket free. And I really actually need my ruler to be doing this with, because I can't half see. Ain't no sense in lying to you guys about it. But right now it seems to be doing pretty good. I should be an expert at this, how many of these things I done cut, especially during the Christmas time when I was making all of those traveler's notebooks and single tens and all this kind of stuff. Yeah. Let me see. Let me take this one so I don't have to take it out. Take the other one out. I'm just gonna cut this one loose here. Okay. Okay, got a glue dot right there. So you can get this glue dot off. Did I get it? Nope. Okay. Put that over there on her dress. And try to get this back off of here. Is there glue dot on there? Yep. Those definitely, those glue dots are something serious. I have to get the rest of it off later. So let's see if we can get it to insert. There we go, without a problem. Well, you know what? Let me fold on. Let me get this. Let's fold on those lines again. The 5 1/4 and the 5 1/4 inch lines. There we go. Now, let's put this in here like so. Ooh. there we go. That's it, y'all. That, you know, like I say, these little micro traveler's notebooks just wasn't anything that I was interested in, but since it was $1.99, I decided to go ahead on and try it. And now that I got it, I'm gonna see what, if anything, I can do with it. So there we go. And I'm gonna be looking at you guys' videos on how you guys are using these things. So there we go. My 2 micro happy planner micro happy planners in my DIY traveler's notebook journal, traveler's journal. I don't know. DIY micro traveler's notebook journal. How about that? So I put that in the title of the video. DIY micro happy planner notebook journal, I think, or journal, I don't know, it's something like that. Okay guys, I'm sorry for being scattered, but I just wanted to show you guys this like today because I just did this, and I think they turned out cute. I think it would look better if it was just something right here to hold it and she wasn't covered, you know what I mean? But this I don't have any problems with this like this. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. And today is December the 31st, 2019. It's about 8 o'clock. And let me be the first to say Happy New Year, guys, if you stuck with me to the end. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.